Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be making salmon, fish, whatever you want to call it. So first up, you're going to want to get a glass baking pan. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, and then you're going to need your fish. And then get your onion salt, garlic salt, and lemon or pepper seasoning, or both, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, let's go to the very first step. Okay, so you're going to want to cut open the package and then put, let's say, three side by side in your pan. Okay, the next step is going to want to turn them upside down so they look like this with the scales on the bottom of the pan. And then you're going to want to get your lemon and pepper seasoning and then season each fish. But not too much, okay? Not too much. Next, you're going to want to season them with the garlic salt. And lastly, the onion salt. Right? Your last step is to put it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I may or may not have cooked it a little bit too long, as you can see from that popping. Yeah, but this is what it should look like. And I hope you guys enjoy. So have a good day and have a happy 2021 if I post this video before my taco video. I don't know which one I'm going to post first, but I'm probably going to post the other one first. Yeah, so I hope you all have a good day and enjoy.